Hi everyone, Shine Burcha here. I'm the product specialist for IO-Link and IoT at Pepperl+Fuchs. With multi-link and IIoT protocols in our IO-Link masters ICE2 and ICE3, a whole new set of Industry 4.0 possibilities are there yet to be discovered. However, if you want to get started from scratch, you usually need to order an IO-Link master. The master needs power to run, so now you need to order a power supply. Cool. Now we have a power supply and a master. But without power cables connecting both together, it's kind of pointless. So now we're going to add a power cable to the order. Now, after getting power to our master, we might need a switch to connect more Ethernet devices to the same network. So let's order an Ethernet switch. Now, to connect the master to the switch, you need to order a bunch of Ethernet cables. And overall, after all this, you need to get IO-Link sensors and then respective cables to connect these sensors to the master. So that's a lot of ordering and making sure all of the components are ordered correctly. What if I say we thought of this, and to make your journey seamless into IO-Link and IoT, we have come up with one-stop solution. That is the IIoT Starter Kit. The IIoT Starter Kit consists of all the components you will require to get started from power to sensors. The starter kit comes in different combinations depending on if you require a field mount or a panel mount IO-Link master. In this video, I'm going to use our IO-Link starter kit with a field mountable master and all its required cabling and power requirements. And let me tell you, everything that's on the table, apart from the panel mount, actually has come from the IO-Link starter kit. And it also has a bunch of different cables that you'll require to get started, and also a bunch of accessories. Now let me show you how quickly we can get the entire IC2 IO-Link master hooked up to a UA client to provide OPC UA tags. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we saw how quickly I'm able to get everything connected. And just to recap what we have on the table, I have an IO-Link master. This is the ICE2 field mountable version. We also have a panel mount for the same model. And it's getting powered using the power supply that comes with the kit. And I have a switch. This is an unmanaged switch that comes with the kit. I've connected my Ethernet cable from the master to it to be used on my network for my further demo. And over here we have two IO-Link devices. One is the distance sensor R200, and the second one is the RFID HF read and write head. And as we can see, everything's connected via cables, and I didn't have to order anything extra. Everything came inside the kit, and it's very convenient to get started. So next, what I want to do is I want to connect this master to my laptop and use OPC UA protocol and connect OPC UA client that's UA expert and see how easy you can get the tags on UA expert. So what I did is I've connected my laptop to the Ethernet switch, which has the Ethernet connection going to the iLink master, ICE2. And from here, I'm going to use port vision to find the IP address of my iLink master to get started.